Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Your village is Benaulim. It's not only Benaulim. The entire stretch right from Mongol and Sarauli will get inundated. And besides flooding, what we are looking at is a damage which is going to cause to the hydrology. If you are seeing only this place and the already looking at the data plan, now we've only seen now when there's nothing here. But what happens is when there is flooding here or water gets filled in here, the impact is further down. So the agricultural lands of farmers further, Adsuli, Khana, even those are impacted. To grow, the people will be thankful to the government, to the central government as well as the state government for protecting their income. It's not only here. I am talking about the fields in Adsuli Lake Munasa, and it's all an integrated system. The water flows right from Kana, Adsuli till Todeband and this area before it gets discharged in the river Sal. The collector, they have assured us that next Friday, the coming Friday on the 20th, they will send us a formal letter to join them for a presentation. And I have requested them that I may be permitted to give a PowerPoint presentation where I want to show them facts, ground realities, even from 2015. We have evidence here, we have photographic evidence, we have newspaper cuttings, visuals are there of how this entire place is disturbed. Yesterday on Friday, the 13th of August, we got a call at around 3:30 that there was a huge gathering near the western bypass site at Saffron near Todeband. हांव तेन्नाच आमचे GCCDMA ऑफिशल्सां बरोबर सँड ड्युन्साचें आयडेंटिफिकेशन ग्राउंड ट्रुथींग करून तेन्ना खबर जाल्लें. And then no sooner we came to know, आमी straight हिंग येयलें. Yes, there was a huge crowd here. And ते सगळे, we were surprised to see that the collector of South Goa, she was there, present with the entire team, be it the executive engineer, PWDs, the SEIA, then even the forest department was here, and the pollution control board officials along with the environment secretary, or quite many of them were all here. I was shocked that being the petitioner, we were not informed. I wish they had to tell us in advance so we could have shown them ground reality kiti asti. Te eyes in August when there is still water logging here, there is water here. But had they to come in June, July, when there was total flooding, they would have understood what we are talking about.